Welcome to the Mocha Buttercream Daffodil Refresher program. A more in-depth video is listed in the Garden Party programs, but this will be a comprehensive overview for those who'd like a quick reminder. Daffodils come in a variety of colors, white and orange, all lemon yellow, variegated golden yellow, some even in pretty pinks. The classic white and golden yellow are my faves, so that's what I'm making today. I'll be using two Wilton 104 tips, one filled with a very light golden yellow buttercream, and one with just natural white buttercream, and a Wilton Circle Tip 1 filled with dark golden yellow buttercream for the stamens.
That's how I know this is forever. All the years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises. All the cups, breakups,
Starting with the 104 petal tip in white, first frost 5 petals holding the triangular tip parallel with and touching the flower nail, keeping the fat bottom part of the tip closest to you while the skinny tip is drawn out and away, then immediately back to its starting position, all in one fell swoop, maintaining pressure with your piping hand the entire time. You can either do one layer of 5 petals or add a second layer of overlapping 5 petals, whichever you prefer. Then you'll go in with the light yellow 104 petal tip and hold it perpendicular to the flower nail. Maintain constant pressure again with your piping hand while you rotate the flower nail so you create a somewhat circular center. Then you'll pipe the stamens using the small circle tip. Touch the tip to the center of the flower buttercream and draw your hand upwards and away from the flower.
like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises. All the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby, we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, you're still mine. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Due to the pointy petals, daffodils are generally easier to pipe on a flower nail first, freeze, and then place as you wish on your cake or cupcake canvas.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. And you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises. All the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby, we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, you're still mine. It's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine, 'cause I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is